Should I replace my furnace blower motor or the entire furnace? In most cases, replace the blower motor if the furnace heat exchanger and other major parts are safe and in good condition, but replace the entire furnace when it is old, unsafe, or facing several costly repairs. The blower motor moves warm air through your home, so a failed motor does not automatically mean the whole furnace has failed. A technician should test the motor, capacitor, control board, wiring, and air filter before recommending replacement. Sometimes a weak capacitor makes the motor seem broken, and replacing that small part may solve the problem. If the motor is noisy, overheating, or drawing the wrong amount of electrical current, replacement may be sensible. Check the furnace heat exchanger carefully because a crack can allow dangerous carbon monoxide into the air and usually means the furnace should be replaced. Age matters too, since a furnace near the end of its normal service life may need more repairs soon. Ask for a written estimate that separates the motor, labor, diagnostic fee, and any other parts. Also ask whether the replacement motor is the correct speed and size, because the wrong motor can reduce airflow, raise energy use, and make rooms uncomfortable. A common mistake is assuming a furnace that will not blow air needs a new motor, so have the capacitor and control board tested first. Another mistake is choosing the cheapest motor without checking its speed and electrical rating, so match the new part to the furnace model and airflow needs. People also ignore a dirty filter, blocked vents, or a closed return grill, which can overwork the motor, so replace the filter and clear airflow before paying for major work. Finally, do not accept a full furnace replacement without asking about the heat exchanger condition, safety testing, repair warranty, and the furnace's remaining service life. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.